Those feet up. He might kick. Oh. Oh my goodness. Shit, I didn't get it. What was all that about? Huh? Watch your arm. Oh, look. Oh, and he's gonna kick you.
He uses his tail.
Yes. Honey, he's going to kick you. He's doing that so he can kick you. Brian, don't let him scratch you.
Dad.
Don't. Move away. Oh, he scratched you.